Hi there people, I created a new tool recently and it's called clippr, and what it basically does is it takes normal images and it distorts it a bit like yeah, making abstract art yourself if you're a bit bored or want to have some fun, to create something new. It's a bit like pointillism kind of thing. You have an image and then you get all kinds of distorted options. And for example, I have this image of me on mine. Took a nice shot. It's real blurry and the camera moved, but that's not important. For me, important is the composition and the colors are correct. And then I can put it through this clippr tool, and then you get sort of abstract kind of thing. And yeah, you can use like any images. If I have like a Google logo here, real blocky and pixelated. Doesn't really matter. It's also nice to upscale images, and you can make it all distorted and distracted and make stuff like this. So it's on clippr.pixellab.org at the moment, and when I run it I get sort of image kind of thing. Make it bigger. I have a default image here, but you can also drag and drop your own images on it. And I would suggest starting with a real small one, and so I can also show you what the different options do. Well, basically the background color is, you can change it around, and clear screen. And there are several drawing styles, and the first one is image. And what it does, it takes part of the image and then paste it again on the second screen, and I can put here the rotate off, and so it gets all square again. And what's important, also draw characters a second. If I put it up, it draws much more images and faster, but it will slow down your computer, so mostly you don't want it put too high if you have a slow computer. So these are things like the size. It takes an image and it pastes it again on the screen, kind of thing. And also I can make the size random a bit more. And the random offset, this is more, if it looks at an image, it puts it at a slightly different position before or after it. So if I put the random offset real higher in pixels, then the whole image gets distorted kind of, and I can make the size, random size, a bit smaller. You have the startup size and then the random size that can get added, kind of thing. And if I put this is sort of distorts the image in a way that it's going to change it all around. So on the X horizontal axis or the Y axis, so you can sort of make a distortion. Well, then you have like alpha channel, can make it transparent a bit, and there's the drop shadow. I can put that off on 0. It gets real distorted now. And X and I. And well, you can also choose different brushes. and it has some effect. I love a bit of drop shadow, then you get sort of thin lines around it. So you get all kinds of make fiddle around until you get sort of weird, nice looking thing. Real abstract. It's real. And what I can do as well is make it a bit transparent, drop shadow, and like I can say, well, I want always squares and also rotate it so it goes really distort a bit. What's important is that you find a nice kind of drawing style you like, and then mostly I try it on a little image first, and then I can do it on a big one. And you can choose different brushes here, like I say, don't rotate it, that sort of Minecraft thingy. And change the size of the bit. And well, you can play around with it until you get a kind of nice drawing thingy going on. So yeah, take a square here and then make the random size pretty long. It's kind of distorted. And I can you see here a little boogie, and I can drop another image on the top of it, a big one. So I have here a real big Google logo, and then it will get distorted. And so what's the point really? Well, it's nice if you have some base images and you want, this is like a HD version, pretty big, and that took a screenshot from Google the homepage, and that I use it as sort of reference. And it doesn't matter if the image is not really that good looking or blurry or anything, because you're going to make an abstract version of it, and you can play around until you find a nice setting, and it looks kind of cool. Clear the screen. Here we go again. A bit dark maybe. And here we go. You can play around with all these settings. It's basically just explore and try some stuff until it looks kind of cool. And yeah, I can also save it really early, so I can make the draw less characters or brushes per second, so I can sort of have a nice look. And sometimes it's nice, you see the background as well, so it's a bit like a big bunch of little paper on the ground or anything, and I can save it, and I say Google 3 save. and then I can sort of open it. Where we have it, here it is. So it's basically from a real, yeah, it's sort of can really you can really fiddle with it a lot, and until you get some nice results. It can be used as backgrounds or backdrops or anything like that, as fill-in, or it's just something. What's important is really that you have like a sort of good composition, and yeah, it's not really important if the image is a bit blurry, or like you find something on the web and you make just a close-up and then sort of fill it around until it looks kind of okay or not. Anyway, this is about it. I hope you have fun with it, and it's sort of, I created a lot of sort of image tools in the past to create abstract images, and yeah, besides for using it just for myself, maybe other people would love it as well to use, or to play around with it. So that's why I wrote this web tool, so other people can enjoy it as well, and feel yeah, make some abstract art in the flesh. Okay, wish you all fun with it, and wish you all a lovely day, people. Cheers.